College research projects often require you find peer-reviewed articles, but how do you know if you have one? These are some questions you can ask. Is there an abstract? Are the authors experts? Is the title long and complicated, and does the article have a lot of technical language? Does it include references? Is it more than a couple pages long? And finally, did you find it in one of the library databases and limit to peer-reviewed? Here's an example of an article to illustrate these points. First, we can see it is from a Loris Library database. Second, here's a nice example of one of those long, complicated titles. Next, we see there is an abstract. It also is 8 pages long, so more than a couple. And finally, there are 41 references. Once you determine that you have a scholarly article, you will have to decide if you have a primary research or review article. There are a couple of things to look for. Primary source articles will refer to this study or experiments, and they will include a discussion of the methods and then the results. Review articles tend to refer to multiple studies. They often include the word review, and they typically provide a historical overview. If we go back to our previous example, you can see it refers to this study. More specifically, it goes on to mention it is a double-blind crossover study and has 10 male participants. The next several lines refer to the method and results. All this indicates this is a primary research article. Here's another example. You can see the title actually includes the word review. Next, the abstract clearly states the authors are reviewing research. Finally, they conclude that they have identified gaps in that research that point to needs for additional studies. So this is definitely a review article. Now that you know what you're looking for, the next step is to find articles. Check out the video on finding peer-reviewed articles for assistance with that.